Welcome to our session on sustainable development. In this presentation, we will explore the foundational principles and importance of sustainable development. We'll examine how sustainable practices can drive economic growth while ensuring environmental preservation. By understanding these concepts, we can contribute to a more sustainable and equitable future. Let's embark on this journey to learn practical strategies for implementing sustainable development across different sectors. Objectives of the session to be made up of: understand the concept and history of sustainable development. Learn about the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Explore the role of education in promoting sustainable development. And discuss challenges and future directions. First, let's look at the definition of sustainable development. Sustainable development is defined as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Brundtland Commission, 1987. The concept of sustainable development was popularized by the Brundtland Report, officially known as Our Common Future, published by the World Commission on Environment and Development, WCED, in 1987. Key milestones in the evolution of sustainable development include 1972, the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment, Stockholm Conference, raised global awareness about environmental issues and led to the establishment of the United Nations Environment Program, UNEP. 1987. The Brundtland Report introduced the term sustainable development and emphasized the need for a balance between economic growth, social equity, and environmental protection. 1992. The Earth Summit, Rio de Janeiro, resulted in the adoption of Agenda 21, a comprehensive plan of action to build a global partnership for sustainable development. 2000. The United Nations Millennium Declaration established the Millennium Development Goals, MDGs, which set specific targets for reducing global poverty and improving social and environmental conditions by 2015. 2015. The United Nations adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, which includes the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, aimed at ending poverty, protecting the planet, and ensuring prosperity for all. Later, we will discuss the 3 pillars of sustainable development. Economic growth. This pillar promotes economic development that improves living standards and creates wealth without depleting natural resources or harming the environment. It emphasizes efficient resource use, innovation, and sustainable business practices. Social inclusion. This pillar aims to achieve social equity and justice by addressing issues such as poverty, inequality, education, healthcare, and human rights. It promotes inclusiveness and ensures that all individuals have access to opportunities and resources. Environmental protection. This pillar focuses on preserving natural resources and ecosystems by reducing pollution, conserving biodiversity, and promoting sustainable land use and energy practices. It ensures that economic and social development does not come at the expense of environmental health. Continue watching Episode 2